Hey everybody, it's Rocky with Brinkley. We're here inside the all-new Model Z 3300. Let's go take a look. So we're inside the all-new Model Z 3300, and the first thing you're going to notice is windows everywhere, all across the off-door side and the door side and the rear, giving you a panoramic view of your campsite. So this 3300 is a full-timer's dream. You got your 50-inch TV directly across from your theater seats. You've got the trifold that pulls out for extra sleeping, and you've got tons of cabinet doors and drawers throughout the kitchen area. So in the kitchen of the 3300, we've got really massive drawers here for storage. You've got big pots and pans drawers at the bottom. So also in the kitchen of the 3300, you have your dual pull-out trash bins, paper towel holder you can take outside if you want, or you can just leave it on this awesome solid surface island. So when we get to the back of the 3300, you'll notice the large 16 cubic foot refrigerator, but right next to it, the pantry, floor to ceiling, fully adjustable shelves, and we have an outlet in there too for a coffee maker, ice maker, anything like that. We continue on over here to the Beverage Center. This is a huge deal for us. It's the first time Brinkley Model Z has ever had dishwasher prep. So the 3.3 cubic foot refrigerator is standard, but it is prepped for a dishwasher. And the cool thing is, you can actually fit a full residential dishwasher in here that you would actually get through General RV. The Beverage Center includes angled wine racks on the side. So you have the solid surface countertop with two large windows in the rear that have our built-in blackout shades with the foil on the backside. So on the campside slide of the Model Z 3300, we have our sliding dinette that you see in a lot of different Model Z floor plans that'll actually slide out so you can fit 4 people around it, or you can slide it all the way to the left to make an L-shaped desk, or to the right. So the Model Z 3300 comes standard with 2 ACs, the main AC being an 18K variable speed chill cube, and the second AC being a low profile 13.5 that has a heat pump in it that operates down to 32 degrees. And new for 2025, that chill cube is actually tied to the inverter prep. So if you got a 3000 watt inverter through General RV, you'd be able to run that main AC off the battery. So we're here in the bathroom of the Model Z 3300. This is a dual entry bathroom with a ton of floor space and storage galore. You have a large space underneath for storage. You have 3 drawers and then a floor to ceiling linen storage. So finishing off the bathroom, we have the large max air fan above the porcelain toilet, tons of countertop space, and it's a solid surface counter with a huge backlit vanity. All right, so we're inside the bedroom of the Model Z 3300. We have king bed standard in this model, and it is that 7-inch memory foam bamboo mattress that we have in all of our Brinkley's. Across from that, you have the nice dresser top here that actually slides open. And we do have an aftermarket leaf insert that you can get through General RV to make this like another desk or workstation. So the front wardrobe here has tons of storage. You have shoe storage back there as well. On the right side of the wardrobe, we do have a ton of hanging storage. But more importantly, you can remove these shelves and you can actually do a fully stackable washer dryer in the 3300. So the second AC is standard on the 3300. This is going to have a heat pump in it that operates down to 32 degrees, so you can save on your propane and just use electric heat. So in addition to the AC, we do get plenty of airflow in here as the windows next to the bed in the 3300 actually open, and then you also have a large exit window over here on the campside that opens up as well. So the Model Z 3300 comes in at 36 feet 6 inches overall length, and you're going to have a pin weight of 2,300 pounds, unloaded vehicle weight of 13.2 and a GVWR of 16,995, which gives you over 3,700 pounds of carrying capacity, which is awesome for these full-timers. So the Model Z 3300, like all Brinkley Model Zs starting in November, have the Kurt Helix pin box, which is awesome for dampening that road shock with this coil spring and also the shock absorber up here. So Model Z comes standard with a 370 watt panel on the roof. You can add an additional 370 watt solar panel without changing any of the wiring. It has a 60 amp charge controller. It's got a dual recessed battery bank that can actually hold 2 Group 27 batteries. And as with all Model Zs, we do have the Gen Prep. All the wiring's already done, so all you'd have to do is order the generator kit through General RV. So in addition to the generator prep, we also have an inverter prep, and that's prep for a 3,000 watt inverter. So here on the campsite of the Model Z 3300, the first thing you're gonna notice is massive pass-through storage. So if that's not enough for you, we also have this under I-beam storage boxes on both sides that you can fit folding tables, chairs, or any other cargo in it. Also on the campsite of the coach, you're gonna have hot and cold water, which is also on the other side as well. You have your Bluetooth speaker control, because we do have 2 speakers undermounted underneath the I-beams. So also in here you have easy access sliding doors, where you can see our brass fittings and our plumbing, and you can get access to everything under there for maintenance. So here in the campsite, we're gonna have dual awnings. The second awning is actually on the slide box itself, so you don't lose any campsite coverage. And underneath the awnings, you're gonna see the Fusion light strips we have there. So here on the off-door side of the Model Z 3300, You have your convenience centers that you're used to seeing with Brinkley with a 65-foot integrated city water hose already on a reel. You also have your electric dump valves for your gray tanks and your black tanks. Also on the off-door side, you're gonna have your control panel for your 6-point hydraulic auto level. So we're here at the rear of the Model Z 3300, where you'll see we have a receiver hitch that has a 300-pound carrying capacity and a 3,000-pound towing. And then up here, we have our rear observation camera, which comes standard on all Brinkley models. And we're actually gonna give you a 7-inch monitor with that as well. Thanks so much for watching. For more information, check out generalrv.com.